Hi, I'm Nayla. I'm the new math tutor here at Aspire Lab. And now I'm going to teach you some briefly calculus 2 review of integration by using U substitution. Okay, let's start. So my example 1, we're having two examples, but the first example is integrating the square root of 2 plus 1 dx. So basically when we see this, we get freaked out because of the square root, but don't freak out. It's just simply we're gonna rewrite it as the integration of x plus 1 to the 1/2 dx. It's the same thing. The square root is half of it. So now as we have this, we see a simple integration, and now we're gonna see like it's gonna be easier, and by seeing this we already know it's gonna be U substitution. So you're gonna be using U, and by seeing this we can say that our U gonna be x plus 1. That's gonna be our U. And our du, how we get our du is by deriving the x plus 1. We simply know that x is going to be 1 dx, and 1 is constant, which is 0. So as we already know, we already have our dx and our 1. So now we can rewrite this as saying integration by u 1/2 du. By seeing this, we already have our problem solved, because we can use the rule saying x n, which equals x n plus 1 divided by x plus 1, which we already can do here, that's how we integrate it. So we're gonna be u 1/2 plus 1, and we do the same thing on the bottom, 1/2 plus 1, which we simply know that it's going to be u 3/2 divided by 3/2. Once we have this, we already know, and we have to do back to our U substitution, that it's x plus 1. So we go back and say x plus 1 2/3 divided by 3 squared, 2 squared. Okay, now we have that's our answer, but we can do it simpler. We can simplify it by saying it's 2/3 x plus 1 equals 3/2 plus c. Don't forget your constant. So that's gonna be our answer. So now that we know this simple integration by using U substitution, now we're gonna use one, and it's much easier, but the same steps, guys. Let's do this. So now we're gonna use e to the x and cosine. So this, you're gonna freak out and saying, oh my gosh, what did I do here? You do the same thing. You use U substitution because we know we have the same e. So, and we know it's cosine. So we start saying that u equals ex plus pi. And then we have to do the derivative of that one. It's simply saying ex. This, your pi, don't freak out, it's constant. So it's gonna be that and then the x. So now we already have all our things except cosine. So that is gonna be simple saying the integration by cosine over u du. How do we know that? Because we already have our e and we already have our pi, so we just stayed with the cosine. So what's the integral of cosine? We already know. It's sine u. Once we have that, we again go to our substitution of u. So it's gonna be sine over ex plus pi plus our constant, and that's our answer. That's how we get integration by using U substitution. Thank you for watching and hope you learned something new. Thank you.